If your monitor screen is flickering, here's how to fix it. So first, you need to check the cables on your computer. On the back of your monitor where the cables plug in, sometimes at the back, sometimes underneath, make sure that they're securely connected. A loose connection is the most common cause of flickering. Do the same for other output device like your computer. And if the cables are secure and the problem continues, you can try switching the cables to different ports on both the computer or your monitor. The port itself might be faulty. If that does not work, try using a different cable altogether. The cable itself could be the issue. So if you're using adapters, the adapter could be malfunctioning. So you can try replacing the adapter as well. And if possible, try reconnecting your monitor to a device without using an adapter to see if the flickering stops. And if it does, the adapter is likely the problem and needs to be replaced. Before buying new cables or adapters, make sure that you have the latest drivers for your graphics card if you're using PC. Incorrect drivers can also cause flickering. In order to update them, you need to find out what graphics card you have and then go to the official NVIDIA site and enter your card information and then click on search and download the recommended drivers. After downloading, install them and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.